Lighting is more than just illumination. Cooper Lighting Solutions believes lighting is also an art form. PrentaLux and all our other specification-grade products redefine architectural lighting design. Discover how our innovative solutions can enhance your projects to create stunning environments. Whether you're focused on sustainability or seeking expert advice, our team is here to support you every step of the way. Share your specifications with us today, and let's illuminate your vision together.